Everybody, welcome back to the Hundreds Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily set your exposure manually in your Logitech Brio 4K webcam. So, here we do have to enter the image adjustments in the Logitech application. And here, as you can see, we have auto exposure. We have to disable auto exposure. And as you can see here, we have exposure, and we can set it to -11 or increase it to -2. Here we have gain, and we can set it from 0 to 255. To disable these options, we have to enable the auto exposure back again. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.